With the camshaft Woodwind Pellet Grill, you never have to worry about undercooking or overcooking your food. Thanks to smart smoke technology, you can set it, forget it, and go take care of something else while the grill does all the work. The digital temperature controls and automatic auger will feed premium hardwood pellets into the grill so the temperature always remains just right without any assistance from you. The versatility of this grill gives you endless cooking possibilities. You can roast, bake, barbecue, smoke, and of course grill. You have a huge temperature range of between 160 degrees Fahrenheit up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which allows you to cook your food any way you want. There is also included a sear box that can reach up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can sear your meat to perfection. Once you're done grilling your steaks, burgers, and chicken, you can transfer them to the sear box so they can get that nice, crisp, caramelized sear. The camshaft Woodwind Pellet Grill has 570 square of cooking space, so you can quickly and easily prepare your food for a family of 4 or a party of 50. You could literally feed the whole neighborhood with this grill if you had to. There's even a removable upper warming rack that provides you with additional space if you need it. The worst part about using a grill is always the cleanup. Luckily, this grill features a patented ash cleanup that makes cleaning the grill as easy as pulling a lever. This means you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying the food you've just prepared. This is an exclusive feature and can't be found on any other grill. We would love to hear which of these amazing pellet grills you would like to get. Put that in the chat box below and let's see what the majority of the viewers like the most.